If you're thinking about buying your first home in Jacksonville, stop what you're doing and watch this first. Because most first-time home buyers make the same mistakes before they ever talk to a lender. And those mistakes cost them time, money, and the home they actually wanted. I'm gonna make sure that doesn't happen to you. I'm Jason Kindler, co-founder of First Coast Mortgage Funding. We're a local, family-owned mortgage broker right here in Jacksonville, and we help buyers all across Northeast Florida buy homes with confidence. Today, I'm walking you through 5 things you need to know before you do anything else. Let's get to it. Step 1, and honestly, this is the most important one. There's a massive difference between pre-qualified and pre-approved. Pre-qualified means someone looked at the numbers you told them on your income, your debt, a rough credit guess, and said, yeah, you could probably get something around X. That took 5 minutes. Nobody reviewed your tax returns, nobody calculated your real income, and nobody verified your assets. Take that pre-qual letter and throw it in the trash. In Jacksonville, a pre-qual means nothing when you're competing for a home. Pre-approved means a lender actually pulled your credit, reviewed your documents, and issued a real conditional commitment. That's what sellers want to see. Get pre-approved first before you look at a single house. Step 2, let's be real about your loan options. Most first-time home buyers think it's either 20% down or they have to do an FHA loan, and that's not even close to the full picture. Here's what's actually available to you right now. FHA as low as 3.5% down with a 580 credit score, and conventional can go as low as 3% down. If your credit's strong, this might actually beat FHA on total cost. VA loans, if you've served, you can buy a house with 0 down and 0 mortgage insurance. Full video on that coming next. USDA, you can do 0 down. Some parts of Northeast Florida actually qualify. And there's Florida Hometown Heroes down payment assistance for teachers, nurses, firefighters, law enforcement, and more. We'll do a full video on that one too. Here's why this matters. We're a mortgage broker and not a bank. We work with multiple lenders. So when you come to us, we find what actually fits your situation, not just whatever one bank offers. Step 3, your credit score matters more than most people realize. And I'm not just talking about whether you qualify or you don't. Your score directly affects your interest rate. Your rate directly affects your mortgage payment. Your payment directly affects how much home you can actually afford. So for example, the difference between a 640 and a 720 credit score on a mortgage can be hundreds of dollars a month. That's real money. Before you do anything, pull your credit. Know your number, look at all 3 bureaus. If something looks off, get it fixed. If your score isn't where you want it, there are strategies to move it faster than you think. That's a conversation we have with buyers all the time. Here's step 4, and this is critical. There is a difference between what you're approved for and what you're actually comfortable paying every month. Lenders will often approve you for the maximum you qualify for on paper, but that number doesn't know about your car payment, your childcare costs, your student loans, or the fact that you want to take a vacation once a year. Figure out the monthly payment you can genuinely live with first, then work backwards from there. So my job isn't to rush you into buying. It's to make sure you actually are ready and that your mortgage fits your life, not just your application. Step 5, you don't have to figure this out by yourself. And honestly, you shouldn't. There's a lot of mortgage information online. Some of it's good, some of it's outdated. Almost none of it applies specifically to Jacksonville. At First Coast Mortgage Funding, we're local. Family owned, we live and work in this community. We're not a call center, we're not a national lender, we're your loan number. When you have a question the night before you're closing, you're calling someone who actually knows your file and actually picks up. That's the difference. So 5 things before you do anything else. Get actually pre-approved, know your real loan options, know your credit score and what it's going to do to your rate, find your comfortable payment, not just your max, and work with a local team that's in your corner. If you're buying in Jacksonville, St. John's, Orange Park, Nocatee, Fleming Island, or Ponte Vedra, click the link below the description to book a quick 15-minute strategy call with my team. And make sure to subscribe for more weekly home buyer tips. We'll see you in the next one.